Hello everyone. In today's video, I will discuss about how to display month in SAS using data step and SAS SQL because at workplace and in some situation it is very important to display month-wise sales or value where in month-wise the highest sales or maybe like if we have to derive a value uh, average in a month, so month wise calculation becomes very important uh, in SAS. So today's video and example, I will show you how to display and create month wise segregation. For that I'm going to use this data which is a sample data set, and I'm going to display it by SQL and procprint. In the procprint we can display it by some variables, and you can use all these variables: id, pair, by, page. But first I will create this data set. In that I'm going to show you the input where I'm going to display variables like unit, value would be in the comma 5, then the date, unit, value, date. So these three variables would be there, and in that format, date 9. So this format would be sort of a format statement. This would be a sort of in format while reading this raw data. So I'm going to run this here and going to print it to see the values, how it is showing. So I have created this date to 9, so that while printing I don't have to give this date format in the procprint statement, procedure statement, because I have already given this format statement in here, so it's going to display in date wise. Now I'm going to create this another data set like by the same name. Data I have input, I'm going to put unit is going to be going to take the first value, which is this okay. So unit, value, and this date, and I'm going to add this new variable month name. In that I'm going to put this statement like put date and month name, this date format, month name 3 dot, then close the bracket. I'm going to run this, and see how it is created. Yeah. So this one name format or date format would be displayed here, and that would show month. So this is one of the method how to create month for the date from the date. And here I'm going to sort here my month name, and then I'm going to sum this procprint data have by month name, some value, because if you want to show it by value, if you want to show the sum of value by month name, you can do like this. So April we have like unit 2, 3, value, and finally there would be some date, because we haven't given the date format here, so it's showing the date here. If you want, we can add the date format here, which will display the date accordingly. Similarly, we can create an SQL statement. In this SQL statement, I'm going to be creating a table want. In that I will be selecting select unit. In annex I'm going to use this month function, date 0 as month, format YYMM D7, value from have, group by calculated month, because month we are using the function index. So whenever we are using this function, we have to use this word calculated month. Having value is equal to max value, that means the highest value for that particular month. So if you see the example in May, for this is the highest for May, I think. Oh sorry, this is the highest 100. So it would take the highest value by month and display. So you can see that month wise four, 5, 6, which is April 2002, May 2002, June 2002. The highest value is 60, for May it's 100, and for here it's 25. If we want to display by unit size, you can mention here unit, and let's see how it works. Oh, it's the same. There is an error here. So there we go. If we have to display it by unit also, we can do that. For example, in the month of April we have 2 and 3 units, so I am displaying it the highest value for unit 2, highest value for 3. Similarly for this May we have all the 1, 2, 3, and for 16 June 2012 there's only 1 unit here. The highest value is 25. That's the only. So we can display by using group by statement, and then using this month statement we can use this int annex. In format, if we can change, if we don't want the this format, we can maybe different. Similarly, you can use mode name. I'm not sure you can use the mode name here. Let's try here. If you have to just use the mode name here, I'm just trying. I'm not sure whether I can do that here, but let me try here. I think it's going to work out. So you can use more name here if you just want to display the month, not the year. Similarly, if we have to just display the month number, you can use this month date as month. You can use the same thing here. Let's see. So this will show you the maximum value for the months here. This is how we can use the month function using the data step and doc SQL and play accordingly. So I hope you like this video, and you can use this month function if we have to display monthly sales. I hope you like this video. You can share this with your friends and post your feedback. Thank you.